working on this, and it doesn't look terrible. Nice thickness, so nice and even. I am not happy at all with the sanding on the top or the bottom. I've been trying everything I can think of, planing, etc. So now I'm going to do a quick time lapse, and I'm going to try to just do some hand sanding and then probably finish it off with a rotary sander. And after that, I'm going to finally finish it with the wax oil. I use the Osmo Poly X. It works beautifully and it's food safe. So I will have that quick time lapse shortly, but I've spent way too much time on this board, and I think that pretty much exemplifies how I manage to mess things up. It's hard not to sometimes because your tools aren't functioning as you might expect them to, and also you might just screw it up, which seems to be what I tend to do. I also need to touch up the edges here, which I'm going to do on the router table, and we'll see what the final result looks like. But hey, I'm probably about 2 hours deeper into this than I need to be, if not 3 or 4. So if you're trying to do anything, don't feel bad, because we all do it. So in the end, hopefully there's a nice result. So this is the final result. I did end up getting it finished with the wax, and it doesn't look bad. I'm not disappointed. However, I am disappointed in myself for taking so long and also not being able to record a decent video. Anyhow, hope somebody enjoys this.